Hi all, I'm Vishnath. Upgrading Maven dependencies manually has always been a tedious work, especially in projects with a lot of libraries releasing frequently. In this tutorial, we will learn how to exploit the versions Maven plugin to keep our dependencies up to date. Agenda mainly covers on how to check for the latest charts and update with the taking the backup, and also either to commit or revert along with a demo. In terms of checking for the latest charts, we have various dependencies. The first one in the list, display dependency updates, will display all the dependencies under the dependency tag. The second one in the list, display plugin updates, will only displays updates to the plugins. Third one in the list, display property updates. If any of the dependencies or the plugins are having the entries onto the properties, this will help to display the property. Next one, backup and updates to the latest charts can be possible with the following commands. When updating the dependencies, when running an update for the first time, the plugin creates a backup in the pom.xml and named as a pom.xml.versions backup. We will see this while our demonstration. Commit or revert. Finally, when we are happy with our changes, we can issue a command as versions commit, and if we are not happy, then we can issue another command as a version revert. And it's a demo time where we will be covering with two dependencies and two properties and two plugins. We'll create a project. Let's name the project name to be Maven demo, and we will be using like a Maven, and JDK doesn't matter because we want to update the plugins, and where we can see like the details of it. As part of the demo, as I said, like we'll be introducing dependencies. So inside the dependency that I'm interested is JUnit, and for this demo, I just want to choose like outdated demo. So 4, uh, which is quite outdated. And another dependency that I want to choose is basically from ORG Spring Framework, where I want to choose is the core instead of a bomb. It can be any dependency, but I thought I can just choose this dependency, and the version that I am interested is 6.0. And in terms of hard coding the dependency, what we can also do is we can create a property where I can say as Spring version in this case, and I'm just going to give that version over here, and I'm going to refer that property uh, as this. And the third one that we are interested is to create is a build plugin. So within the build plugin, what we are going to do is we are going to create one more plugin, and the plugin that I am interested is related to Surefire. So I'm going to create an outdated version of Surefire. What I will do is I'll also make this as a property, uh, and I'll just say like uh, uh, Surefire version, and I'm going to update copy this version, and so that this is the second property that we want to have it over here. So, and the way how I'm going to refer it is via this, and it is very easy to refer. Now we what we will be doing is we'll be firing the different Maven commands. The first command that I want to fire is like related to deploy dependency updates. It just displays like what are the dependencies. Currently we have like two dependencies. One is having like 4 and another one is having like 6.20, and it clearly says that those dependencies are out of date, and it helps us to have a report. The next plugin that we have uh, is in terms of properties to be updated. So if I fire that bit, it just gives uh, properties. The under the properties we have two properties. It just clearly says like these are the two properties that can be updated as. And another one that we have in terms of plugin updates is basically this particular command that helps us to identify what are the like plugins under the plugins, what are the things that could be updated, and it clearly helps us to identify those plugins. So one can manually update all this one. Maven also helps us in doing an automatic update. So made us use latest charts. So using the latest charts, you can see like the backup has been created, and what we can do is we can check the charts whether it is being updated or not, and again we can fire the command to display like for dependencies to be updated or not. This will clearly say that the Spring Core dependencies can be updated because it's a property version. Updating uh, the properties, it's basically this is where you can see like the properties are just been updated. We can just again check whether the properties are being updated or not by firing this command. It has clearly says that all versions are being updated. And in terms of if you want to go back to the previous one, Maven has already created a backup for you where we whatever the versions that we have started with are being registered like JUnit 4, whereas in your file currently you have like a 4.13.2. So if you want to stick to the latest one, you can fire another command as a Maven commit. But in case if you have decided to revert say like revert the change so that the backup will be gone, and we will end up with the previous version where you can still say like JUnit is 4. Yeah, that's all for now. If you like the content, please like, subscribe. Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye.